a player. Kasi dating, you have to be intentional. I don't wanna waste my time.
No, like when it comes to dating, right? Pag ganun, kung a person is dating you, they can't date anybody else.
Ay, hindi. Okay lang.
Or kunyari, you
I'm
guys are
open.
dating, and then you see the person on a dating app by accident. Would that
Ay,
change?
Red flag yun.
I don't care. Dating kasi is not exclusive yet, ha? For me, yun yung definition ko. Pero pag sinabi niya na exclusive, yun na, meron ng banda.
Talaga?
we
Kasi
exclusive.
For me, on dating, it could go both ways. Like, you could be dating just one person, and then you could also be dating around. You know, if
Dating
you're a
around.
single woman, going on dates is different from dating. Kasi sa akin, ang dating naman, like when you go, you're dating someone, it means that you're
Exclusive
actually,
na.
yeah, no, you're intimate, you're physical with
No.
someone, and then you're going out with someone, just one
Okay.
person.
I learned a thing here. So if you're dating, that means you're doing it. We're dating. We're doing it.
No, kasi meron yan yung seeing, di ba?
Ano yung seeing sa
You're
dating?
seeing someone.
No, ganun
You're
lang.
just, yung parang, you're seeing someone parang, you're just meeting up. Ganyan, you're hanging
you
up.
hook up, pero hindi siya
Hanging
nakikitulog.
up,
Ganun
ganyan.
lang. Hindi siya
To be
nakikitulog.
honest, it's good to define
Yeah, it's true.
what's the dating for the guy, for the girl.